my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to stick around, subscribe, and leave me a comment to let me know if you're new. Today I'm bringing you Project Gr8tful February, and Miss Kelly Bangs, that cutie patootie that she is, she knocked this out of the ballpark. Dare I say it's my favorite collection yet? I do dare say that. So I'm going to be sharing the collection with you. I'm also going to be sharing the lovely Larissa, who is the inspiration behind this. And let's get started. So in February, Larissa takes us into Gratitude Improves Relationships, and she walks us through how she went through a bit of a tough situation with a relationship and how she used gratitude and God stepped in to help her through it. And then, like I was showing you, she also gives us a your turn. So that kind of guides us on what to do and what to be thinking about for a project. So let's talk Project Gr8tful. Ephemera, come through, Kelly Bangs. I love this collection. Everything about it. I love the pennants. I love how she used the typography and she put it with like ledger type stuff. It is just so cool. And as you can tell, no, I'm not a graphic designer. I don't know all the words, but what I do know is what my eyes like, and my eyes like this collection. Washi tape. This is a new Project Gr8tful thing. So Project Gr8tful is a collection. It comes with ephemera, numbers, and journal bits. So you can pick them all up or you can pick them up individually. I am super excited about the numbers this month. I like that she put them all together. She's been putting all the ones on the page and the twos and the threes, and I use them like this. I like to use them together, and I'm obsessed with these numbers. I'm 4 months in now, so that's 4 sets of 1, 2s, and 3s that I can be using forever. And along with the numbers, she always has these 5 little girls, and what she does is she just changes them out with the colors that she's using, and she includes a little pocket there with a little card that we can make and put in the book or however you're using it, and I use it every month. So now we're going to jump into the journaling bits, which, again, they're going to knock your socks off. Each month she gives us a collection of journaling bits, and they are darling this month. I love the hearts on the right hand side. The attention to detail that Kelly has is phenomenal. Here she's got these little cards, and she brings in like vintage Valentines, and then all those little like pointers which could be used as sticky notes, and then she just gives us a variety of spaces to go in and write. However you want to use that, and I'm going to share how I'm using them this month. So I hope you'll stick around and check that out, and let's jump into that. Okay, so here is my intro pages to February, and I will just tell you, if you would have told me last year at this time that I would be using orange anything in any of my projects, I would have said no. But Kelly Bangs has found a way to make orange and pink go well together, and I love it. So these pages are done with the Project Gr8tful collection as well as Kelly Bangs Heart Eye collection, and I am doing a separate video that's going to share my entire paper crafting process. People have been asking for that. I didn't want to combine it in here, so I share how to make the pockets. I share how I put all this down, and that'll be up pretty soon. Here is page 1. So everything on this page is from the Project Gr8tful collection outside of the florals. The florals are part of that Heart Eyes collection from Kelly Bangs. I will link that below. It is separate. It's not included with illustrated face stuff. This page is all Kelly Bangs Project Gr8tful ephemera, and I just love it. I love the girls. As you can see, I've printed them out a couple times, maybe a few, and I use them repeatedly. I have learned now that doing this project, I don't need to have a 1, 2, and 3 for every single day of the month. I can go in and write something later. So you'll see my 1s and 2s and 3s kind of scattered. I leave extra room. Like this page with the little file folders, I can write days in there. I can write days where the 1, 2, and 3 are at, and then I added a little 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. And all my pages I like to flow across. So here I have the hearts flowing across the middle. I added in some little black dots to make it kind of cohesive. And then I put in a couple girls, and I'm just showing that, you know, on the bigger, with the bigger 1s, 2s, and 3s, I'll use that as a full day. On this page, this is where every month I do a tip in, and I decided to add an extra full page over there on the left. There's a little pocket that is included with the numbers, and everything on here is from Project Grateful, except for that How Sweet It Is to Be Loved by You, and I put Jesus above it. That's KellyBangsCreative. And then on the right, the only little one is the heart with like the doily around it. And then this page is probably my favorite. I love the colors. I put a bunch of 1s and 2s and 3s together, and I'll just come in and date these up as needed. Again, the girls are from Project Grateful Ephemera, no, Project Grateful Numbers, and the florals are Kelly Bangs, and that's it. So I give myself about 10 pages each month, and what I've been doing, probably started in January, is I just go in and write on certain pages. I don't follow my pages perfectly. I'll just go in, and if I have like a few things that I'm grateful for that day, or I don't have a lot of writing to, I'll pick a spot for that. And then as you can see, like those little highlighters, those little tags, I still have room to go in and write there. Here's my tip in for January. I think I was going to come in and do some more decoration, but it's okay. Like, this is a project that I want to make sure that I do 365 days, and I want to make it as easy as possible for me. So as you can see here, I'm still finishing up January. Obviously, we have about a week left, and I'm just showing you that there's lots of room. I can come in and just write what I'm grateful for those days. There's a little pocket from last month. I have the cards out because I'm using them. And now I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit of my next video, which is going to be the paper crafting video. I left this in here because how adorable is all of this together. This is Kelly Bangs for Illustrated Faith, and then also her own collection, Heart Eyes, that is her own business. So I've talked about Kelly Bangs. Kelly Bangs creates for Illustrated Faith, and then Kelly Bangs is also a business on her own. So her collections will be linked below, and I hope this will make sense, but in the next video I'll also share it. So this is just a sneak into my paper crafting video. I hope you'll want to see that, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. I'm grateful for each and every single one of you. I hope that you have a good day. I hope you subscribe, and God bless you.